Side to Danny Ildefonso, dalawa na kapayong Dorian Peña.
Partner, very clearly, Dorian Peña.
Here's Vergel Meneses. As we mentioned, he scored 20 points in Game 4.
Break layup. Nakita natin, ito si Danny Siegel was doubled.
Oh, what a shot!
Oh.
What a shot by Danny Siegel.
Definitely magpapakita ito si Danny Siegel.
Oy, steal once again by Barangay Ginebra. Vergel Meneses is gone! No! Basket does not count. Peña out to Danny Siegel for the open shot.
And that's it.
Marcela Abuda. Balik ulit kay Danny Ildefonso. Oh! Blocked by Alex Crisano.
Harap-harapan yun.
Super Volca Seal tapal by Crisano. At naghiyawan pa mga tao, mga kaibigan, sa pagkakita nilang tumakbo. Itong si Mark Caguioa papunta sa officials table. And there's Crisano. There's a double team inside. Naku, ang sikip ng pasa na yun. But Dorian Peña using his height and heft. Inside pass again for Dorian Peña. And there's a tapal Volca Seal by Mark Caguioa. Good timing there. Baldavid.
Everybody's talking about this series.
And, well, they should. Sapagkat matindi itong seryeng ito. Shot! Wala. And Caguioa, off-balanced as he was, controls the rebound, gets it into the front court. And Baldavid at the corner. Sumaksak! May foul pa.
And one. Para kay Baldavid, partner. Barangay Ginebra going to its strength. Yung kanilang quickness. Kita mo, hindi rin nakapag-react yung defense ni Dorian Peña. Why? Because ang layo niya eh. Calpito is bringing him way out. A little too slow to stop the gunners from Barangay Ginebra, especially the easy layups. They're giving up the open shot.
And finally!
Racela finally hits it.
A PLDT long distance. Samantala, J.J. Helderbrand is in the game for the first time. Lumusot ka agad. Yan ang sinasabi mo kinito, yung bilis nitong mga taga-Barangay Ginebra.
Imagine Rob Duat getting caught with the ball outside.
Samantala, Mark Caguioa hits pay dirt on a jumper from left corner court.
Daniel Ildefonso way outside his comfort zone sa low block.
Hey!
Si J.J.
J.J. Helderbrand with a soft. Mark Caguioa. Binigay kay J.J. Helderbrand. Sumugod na naman si J.J. Helderbrand. 6 points now from J.J. Helderbrand off the bench. Jong Wichico ngayon. Nandiyan si Dorian Peña, si Nick Velasco, as Jun Limpot scores inside this line. Hindi makasaksak. Binigay kay Jun Limpot. Limpot, twisting move by Jun Limpot. Kaninyo, itong ginawa ng Barangay Ginebra. Twisting shot there by Jun Limpot. At ito pa isa. Makita nyo naman kung paano gumalaw ito si Jun Limpot. Slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT Text 135. Ito na si Meneses. Nilabas kay Helderbrand for the three! That's spectacular long-distance shot brought to you by PLDT. We're playing to a full house here at the Araneta Coliseum and they're getting their money's worth.
Double figures na si JJ.
Barangay Ginebra talagang parang mainit na mainit. Helderbrand once again his 13th point. Godi Liban, nandun mo si Godi? Wait!
Ito, nakawala na naman dito si Baldavid.
Barangay Ginebra Kings fans as he replaces Ronald Magtulis.
At mapapansin natin ang rotation.
To Elmer Lago, open shot. Masyado malakas.
Hard.
Caguioa! And it's back to a 10-point lead.
Running attack in good gear. At saka yung spread floor nila, no? When they spread the floor, partner, they're able...
Back to Ildefonso. Inside to Dorian Peña.
Oh, yes.
And he will also pick up a foul. Racela to Danny Siegel for the open three-point shot. Yes, that's spectacular. Multiple opportunities. And Vergel Meneses sinks that spectacular long-distance shot. 1. Abuda. Out to Racela. Yeah!
Tatlo yun.
That was a PL. Kanina, ayaw pumasok yan eh. Ito naman si Baldavid. Binutas din ang ring. At nilabas kay, Baldavid! Yes! Open shot once again for Olsen. Pero di ba, Danny Siegel offensive rebound at the putback. Here in the third quarter. Danny Ildefonso. Nilabas kay Olsen Racela. Racela sumaksak! Yes! Nilabas kay Helderbrand. Helderbrand back to Caguioa. Caguioa decides to go for it. Yes! Naramdaman niya. Talaga ramdam ni Mark Caguioa. Abuda. Caguioa! Mark Caguioa now calling the play para sa Barangay Ginebra. They're up by 1 at 55-54. Mark Kagiwa makes his move! Left-handed shot by Mark Kagiwa!
Kaliwa yun, partner.
Oo.
What a move! Shake and bake! Para mo nakita si Allen Iverson.
Helterbrand, lamang kay Nick Velasco. Jun Limpot, pumupwesto. Helterbrand, pumihit. Limpot inside, one-handed!
Oh, yes. Ang ganda naman ng pasa galing kay Helterbrand. Woo!
Alright, tingnan natin. Baka pumunta yan doon sa SM Fairview.
Oh!
Kagiwa!
Tatlo yun!
Yeah, it's a PLDT.
Get that rebound.
Berhel Meneses, nilabas kay Kagiwa. Open three-point shot! By Kagiwa with a PLDT long-distance connection. And Barangay Ginebra is up by 3. Daniel Ildefonso. Ildefonso turns it. Oh, yes!
Great
Danny!
A great move by Danny Ildefonso.
Mark Kagiwa. Three-point shot! PLDT long-distance shot by Mark Kagiwa to put Barangay Ginebra on top again by 3. His third spectacular long-distance shot. Rasel Sigal!
Sagutan sila, partner.
Another spectacular.
24.
Lapit-lapit na yan. Jun Limpot against Danny I. Jun Limpot biglang pumit. Double-teamed. Nalabas kay Bal David. David, oy! Wow! Binigay kay Jun Limpot. Limpot, lumay up, yes! At to Sigal again at the baseline. Reverse layup is good! By Danny Sigal. Kabigin. Walang tulak kabigin dito sa dalawang koponang ito as you look at the slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT Text 1 lahat. Labanan po ng Barangay Ginebra at ng San Miguel Beer. What a game this has been. Jun Limpot inside. Out to Mark Kagiwa against Dwight Lago. Tumikada na naman ang throws. It's another PLDT long distance shot by Mark Kagiwa. Binigay kay Danny Ildefonso.
Yan ang bread and butter play nila. Low post on Danny. Almost a steal.
Yes, it's a steal. Kagiwa. Tuloy-tuloy. Kagiwa. 26 points. By Mark Kagiwa. Marcela has it against Bal David. Looking at Danny I. Ildefonso against Banjo Calpito. Danny Sigal!
Ayan na si Danny Sigal. Again, pumutok.
They've got 2 fouls to give. Barangay Ginebra does. Jun Limpot has it.
Drive strong to the hole. Palagay ko, yan na nasa isip.
O yan na.
Ni Jun Limpot.
Oh! Big block! Double block kasi by Nick Velasco.
Sabi din ni Jun Limpot. I don't know.
From that.
Penalty.
Ito na. Rasela! Open! Open!
Take the
Open!
Wala!
Wala!
It's out! Oh, that day!
Oh, montek na! Hey, Rasela, bumagsak! Woo! Pinulot ni Alan kay Dick, si Paulson Rasela.
Pumasok na, lumabas pa!
Kumanog
Oh
lang.
boy, we are into overtime! With the inside position.
Mark Kagiwa puts it up. Whoa!
Oh!
90 all.
Mind it.
Okay lang. Danny Ildefonso. Oy, walang double. Jun Limpot. Laban kay Danny Sigal. That's a double team. And there's a steal. Tumatakbo sa Olsen Rosell. Mark Kagiwa alongside him. Sigal.
Trail job by Danny Sigal.
Back to Bal David. Bal David is up. Kagiwa's open. Kagiwa's open.
And it's a basket.
We have a timeout, folks. We have a timeout. Ito, panoorin po ninyo mga kaibigan na nangyari no last sequence para sa Barangay Ginebra. Naghihintay lang doon si Mark Kagiwa. Libre at pinuntirya ni Mark Kagiwa. He cuts the lead of San Miguel Beer down to 1. 5 seconds to go. Mark Kagiwa, inaagaw ni Mike Moste. Tumira si Mark Kagiwa. Wala! And San Miguel will take this. San Miguel will take